with me, hit the sea line.
Freunde, ich bin fleißig am Unterschreiben, das sind die Karten, beziehungsweise die Aufsteller, ja, die knickt man dann so, die in den schönen Boxen drin sind, die wir quasi für euch gemacht haben. Da ist eine Schürze drin, da ist die CD drin, eine
Last month, YouTube went nuclear. In an effort to get rid of AI slop content, they implemented a new AI moderation system that's gone completely rogue. Instead of targeting the slop, it's demonetizing real creators, and even worse, permanently deleting others. It's happening to thousands of channels, including mine. They fully demonetized my channel, claiming that it's inauthentic, or AI slop. So, I made a video appeal showing how I make my animations, to which they replied with an auto-generated email deeming it invalid. Guys, no channel is safe, and something must be done before the site self-destructs. 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 Site self-destructs.
Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 salt.
Let's practice.
1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop, pop.